Another video, and I just wanted to show you guys this trade that I took on USD CAD. That was that I got about 200 plus pips on. Let's get right into it. So right here, I saw break and a retest. So let's just start from the beginning. So we go on the daily. You see how this comes down. Again, you see this big, huge engulfing wick come through the zone. But overall, it looks like a head and shoulders. Let's go to the 4 hour and see if we can see it like a little more clear. Yeah. So look. Let's do get the brush. Let's do right there. It's a shoulder. Head. And then other shoulder right here. Sorry about my. Let me cut that one. Let me cut that last one. So right here. So I completed the head and shoulders. So I seen that, and then once you see the head and shoulders, what you're looking for next is you see this zone right here. Nice zone. So we're waiting for it to break, retest, and then we'll take it down. So what I did here is I went down to the 1 hour, seen, I entered over here, yeah, right here, right at this wick right here, you see, right at the close of that wick, that candle, because so when you see the trend, then you wait for the signal, and then this is the signal right here. Bullish engulfing. So that just confirms that we're about to sell. And then also there was some big news coming out about USD CAD, so that's what made this happen right here. This let me show you this. It was CPIs, exchange, unemployment rates, stuff like that. So everything was below the previous, and the actual was below the previous. So if you guys know what that means, let me just give you. If you don't know what that means, let me just give you an example while we're talking about it. So basically, yeah, this was it right here. This will happen. So all of this went through, and it went with the markets crazy. So if you had your technical analysis right, then you were perfect. But if you had it wrong, then yeah, you probably got stopped out or wicked out or something. Because on pretty much every single USD pair you see like that right there. Even on, just take a look at US30 real quick. Look, see that huge wick right there. We didn't get in on that one, but I was so mad I didn't get in right there. But it's okay. There's always more opportunities in the world, so we ain't gonna stress that. So back to USD CAD. So I saw the head and shoulders. And it came down, retested, got the signal right here. Let's see, 1 hour. No, that's not it. This one right here. Yeah, right there. I think we actually, let me see. Yeah, it was more on the 30-minute, because normally I execute on, well, depending on how it looks, I'll execute on the 30-minute or the 1 hour. So And then once we seen that, we looked at, of course, investing.com. It probably doesn't show it right now, but yeah. Well, you can look real quick, see what it's looking like. It's moving a little slow right now. And excuse me, I'm moving kind of slow. I'm in the hospital right now, but it's just patient. What I mean, as you could tell though, is you see down here, like you could tell the pairs like US 30 are doing at a specific moment, but let's just go back here because it's taking a little long. We gotta really get to the point. Oh wait, it might be done. Is it done? Are you done? You done yet? There we go. Yes, decat. Yeah, you see go down, and then you guys know how I do this. If you've seen every video, you know how I do this. Technical analysis. Yeah, see strong sell. 5 hours strong sell. Daily strong sell. Yeah, and I close a little bit early because like sometimes when I'm coming to the hospital, it doesn't my trades don't really load, so I can't really see how active it is or where it's at that point. So I closed it kind of early, but just to show you guys, we got about, off this trade by itself, we got 200 pips. Came down. And we closed right. Let me just check real quick. Give you guys the exact numbers. So close that. Let's put a let's throw that there. One. Point 319 1 point. Oh, that was the take profit, but actually we didn't fully. I'm sorry guys. Let me get this right. So we didn't close the trade. It's still running the TP, but we took some profits right around here. So we're still floating, and we're at about 200 pips. Yeah, so we started closing partials at about 200 pips, and in total, if it finishes and closes out, we at around, let's see, exactly 300 pips. And as a trade, this trade lasted about let's say 3 days because I took it on Monday. No, I took it on Tuesday, and then now it's Friday, so we started closing out. Yeah, so it took a couple of days to play out, but doesn't matter. Successful trade, beautiful trade, quality trade, and yeah. So just to give go back and give you a quick overview. Head and shoulders, shoulder right there, head, another shoulder, and then came down. And once we see this pattern, comes down, wait for the retest, and come all the way down, right about here. And I didn't actually, at the time, I really didn't notice that it was a head and shoulders pattern. I just seen that below, so it came up here, couldn't break the zone, and then broke all these highs right here, then came down, created a lower high, and then when you start to see that, you put a little trend line, it's obviously going down. So came through the zone, retested, and then we got in right there. So there was a little bit of drawdown, not too much, a little more than we wanted, but we're trying to keep drawdown at a minimum as possible. That's the goal. But for now, that was a successful quality trade. Simple head and shoulders. Got in. Got about 200 pips, closed in profit, and we're still floating, so still waiting for it to hit TP. And that was a nice 1-2. Could have been even tighter if I wanted to make it 1-3. I definitely could have. That was maybe that was. I don't like to be so risky sometimes, so I like tight stops, losses, but I don't like getting wigged out, so sometimes I just gotta give it some breathing room and make it a simple 1-2. Something nice, nothing too crazy. And then at this point, might as well, I'll do it. I don't think I could do it right now, but yeah, I can't do it right now because the service is not too good in here, but I could have. Next time, I'm gonna put my stop loss to break even just to make sure it's a risk-free trade at this point, because we're already about 200 pips in profit. So yeah, and that's it. I just wanted to show you guys that. Thank you guys for tuning in again. Please like, comment, subscribe, and comment below if you see something that I don't really see, or if you learn something. At least you could do is leave a like and let me know if I'm doing good or not. Alright, thank you guys. Martile out. Peace.